What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to take a look at 5 cool features on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and these are in no particular order. So without further ado, let's jump on into these 5 cool features. So the first one I want to talk about is snore detection. And with snore detection, it basically tracks how much you snore and how loud you snore. I know this kind of sounds silly, but it works. And I tried it for like a couple days, and trust me, I usually say I didn't snore, but this proved me wrong because I do snore a lot, and I don't know, maybe because I'm tired or something, but it's really a good feature. So how to set this up, all you need to do is go into the Samsung Health app, and then you can just toggle on snore detection on your watch as well. So you will get the option on your watch to turn on snore detection, and also in the Samsung Health app. So that's pretty much how it works, and you have to basically sleep in the watch for it to actually track how much you snore and how loud you snore. So that's basically a decent feature. I really like that feature. So yeah, that's basically one of my favorite features on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So on to the next. So the second feature about the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it can tell you if you're fat or not. And I know that sounds weird, but yeah, it does work. And it basically calculate your body, measure your body fat, your body weight, and all those stuff. It can tell you if you need water, or if you need to like get up, move, exercise, or you know, those normal health stuff. So how this works, all you have to do is go into composition, and then you will get some option to like put in your height, your weight, and all those stuff, but it will calculate that at the end. So if you don't know your weight or your height, you can just skip that and just press measure. So once you select measure, you will get the option to place both finger on the 2 buttons on the side here. All you need to do is just hold down these buttons, and then it will calculate your body fat, your height, if your body needs water or anything like that. So it's a very good feature, and I really like that feature about the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And yeah, it's overall decent. I like to use it, check my blood pressure, my stress levels, and all those stuff. It kind of help in such a way where it's really useful, and it's something you can use on a daily basis. It can check your blood pressure level. So if you're like high in blood pressure, it can tell you, hey, you need to stop doing something that raises your blood pressure. So that's a really good feature about the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and I really like that feature, and I use it quite a lot so far. And I'm an average person. As you can see, my body fat is 50.7 and my skeletal muscle is 49. So basically I'm like in the middle of being muscled and of being a skinny guy. So I think I'm an average person. So yeah, that's basically all about composition. So to set up this feature, all you have to do is just go into the Samsung wearable app and set up all you need to set up first, and then you just run the measure and it will tell you everything about your body. So that's good. So that's one of my favorite feature on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, without doubt. And on to the next feature. Alright, so one of my favorite features as well on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is you can control your camera app on your smartphone using the watch itself. So all you have to do is just enter into the Galaxy wearable app, and then you can configure how you want to set up your phone with the watch using the camera. So if you want to like take a picture, you can use the watch like a viewfinder as well. You can even snap the picture by using the watch itself, and it will be taken on the phone itself. So basically it's like a remote control for the phone itself. If you don't want to use the phone to take a picture or to look at the phone while taking a picture, you can simply use your watch. And it's super convenient because a lot of time you can just flick on your watch, and then you just enter into the camera on your watch itself, and it will open the phone itself. So that's super awesome. That's a nice nifty feature. I really like that you can control the camera on your smartphone just by using the watch itself. And I think many watch can do this, but this is more like suitable and more advanced. So I will definitely take this over any other watch any day. So that's super awesome. So to set this up, all you need to do is enter the Samsung wearable app, configure it from there, and then you will get the option to like select whatever you want the camera to do when you press certain buttons. And that's it. That's basically it. You can snap any pictures using your watch, which is super convenient and awesome. So that's one of my favorite features as well on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So on to the next feature. Alright, so I know a lot of smart watches out there have this feature, many doesn't, but I just want to take the time to say the rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch 4 is super nice. I think this is one of the best features from the Galaxy Watch 4 itself. And if someone should ask me, hey Nick, should I get the Galaxy Watch 4 or get the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, I would definitely say, hey, go ahead and get the Classic, because these have so many features over the 4. And knowing it has a rotating bezel, you can just simply rotate the bezel to go to any other functions you like instead of like tapping the screen. Because hey, if you tap the screen on your watch, trust me, that will get smudges, that will look awful, and we don't like smudges. We don't like to see all those grime on our screens, especially our phone screens and stuff. But hey, it's a feature, it's super nice, and I think upgrading from the 4 is a way better option. So if you're planning to getting a upgrade of a Galaxy Watch, if you're from the 4, I would definitely say, hey, go ahead and get the Watch 4 Classic, because it's much more advanced. Knowing it has a rotating bezel, you don't have to be tapping the screen or touching the screen and talk. So that's a nifty feature as well, and it's really nice, because from I get this watch, I'll be using the rotating bezel endlessly. I haven't touched the screen like that anymore because it has a rotating bezel, so I don't really need to be touching the screen, smudging the screen and all that thing. So yeah, the bezel is one of my favorite features as well, and I really like the fact they upgraded the 4 to the Classic with the bezel, so that's super awesome as well. So if someone say they're getting the Galaxy Watch 4, I will definitely say, hey, skip the 4 and jump to the Classic, because this is super awesome knowing it has a rotating bezel. So yeah, that's basically all I have for you today. These are all the cool features on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. There are a lot, but I will definitely get into some more details next time on these. So, and sorry if you're hearing like knocking noise outside, because some people are outside working in their house, so I have to be like really quick with this. So that's basically for today's video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead by subscribing down below, and also ringing that notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.